Graduation is getting close. I wonder what high school will be like.
Graduation is close. I wonder what high school will be like.
Yeah, sabi ng ate ko na it's really hard at maraming ginagawang performance.
I'll just get this over with.
Meron tikos?
CJ, wake up! Sana kang din.
What? Who are you? Sino ka?
Uber naman sa Ash. I'm Liza. Your classmate, remember?
Why is this filled with X and Y? What is this?
That's algebra, CJ. Ang word mo today. Tara na nga! Uy, CJ. Don't forget our math, science, and English projects. Ikaw yung leader, remember? Oo, wak na, CJ.
Leader, why do you have to do all the work?
Ganyan talaga pag high school.
High school? Anong high school? Gagraduate pa lang ako.
Oo nga, gagraduate pa lang tayo sa grade 10.
I told you that I've fallen, and I like the way you say my name.
Liza, Shay, saan napunta mga yun?
Ha? Pinagsasalita. Sana all ba?
They're gone. They were never here. All of those memories, they weren't real.
Hindi ko naman yata di ka mamatay kung hindi ko mahawakan ng iyong kamay. Handa kong harapin ang kasinungalingan. Kung wala ka sa aking buhay, walang kakulangan.